Have a happy 추석! 이렇게. 아이고. Hi, it's Hana of Hana Go. On my way to film a very special episode for the upcoming Chuseok holidays. You'll see in a little bit what the special surprise is. But first, we have to make our way over to Cheong Wa Dae. Doom, doom, doom. Hello and welcome to the Cheong Wa Dae 사랑채 Exhibition Hall studio. And now for the grand surprise. Drum roll. 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요. 청와 다e 추석 박스입니다.
감사합니다. So Chuseok is now only 3-4 days away, and each year around this time people give gifts to each other. This could be a gift that you receive from the company, gifts that you give to your grandparents or parents, or people that you would usually want to say thanks to. And this particular box is a gift box that Cheong Wa Dae sent out to people who serviced the community and the country in one way or another. And so, as you can expect, it's probably something quite special. And so, here it goes, with my special gloves. Voila! 4 types of specialty goods from various regions around Korea. Here is a letter from the president himself, wishing everyone a happy Chuseok, which falls on September 13th this year. Along the coast in Busan is where you'll find the best type of seaweed. Next, we have 정선 곤드레, which is which is another kind of a plant, I guess. We call it 나물 in Korean. And we also have peanuts from gochujang. So this is the peanuts, which I cannot taste, but they sure do look delicious, don't they? And then finally we have this. 서천 소곡주. This I would love to taste someday. There's more information. Alcohol, 18%. And it's made with chapsal, which is glutinous rice, and a variety of ingredients for the fermentation process. And it's made in 충청남도 province in Seocheon. Yeah, it takes 100 days to make. And once again, I cannot taste this liquor, but I do hope that the people who receive this gift box from the president have a pleasant Chuseok and enjoy the holidays with their friends and family. Yeah, cheers to that. We have, on my left, some Busan miyeok. On the bottom here, some liquor from Seocheon, 소곡주. Here on my right, top right, 곤드레 from Cheongsan. And last but certainly not least, 땅콩 from gochujang. Hana Go wishes you a happy Chuseok. 즐거운 추석 보내세요. 근데 소곡주가 무슨 맛이에요? 뭐 미역은 먹어봤으니까 알 것 같고, 땅콩도 알 것 같고, 곤드레도 알 것 같고, 이게 가장 궁금해요. The mystery drink.